Sit right back, the time is now. Tammy's gonna show you how to cook it up like Mama used to do. Well, she makes it easy, she shows you tricks. Before too long, get all real quick, and the all-star of the kitchen will be you.
Old-fashioned favorite, devil's food with 7-minute icing. Let's get started. Now you need to get you a boiler that's small enough for a mixing bowl to sit on top of without the bottom of the mixing bowl going into the water. I've got about that much water in the bottom of this. So now we're just heating this up, and when it comes to a boil, then we can do our icing. Once you have it mixed up, all you have to do is put it over the water and use a mixer on high speed for 7 minutes. You're going to use 1 1/2 cups of sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of cream of tartar, it's all the dry stuff in. So you should be able to mix this up in time for this to start boiling over here. Now you're going to crack 2 eggs, and we're just going to be using the white of the egg. We're going to use light corn syrup, and we use Karo down here. Light corn syrup. We're going to be using 2 teaspoons of light corn syrup. You can hear the water starting to want to boil. There's 1. 2. We're going to put in the egg whites, a 1/3 cup of water, and the only thing we're going to have to put in at the end is vanilla. So I'm going to mix this up right quick. Now we're going to get it over our water. Once it's on the water, go ahead and set your timer for 7 minutes and press the start button, because you're going to mix this exactly 7 minutes over this boiling water. When that vapor goes off, slide it off the heat, add your vanilla, and beat it 2 more minutes. That's good. All right, let's go ice our cake. Okay, I've got a paper plate that I'm going to ice it on, and then I'll transfer it to my cake stand over here, right there. So we're going to get started with it. And I think I may go ahead and try to slice the layers. I think I've got enough icing. So let's do it, y'all. So we're going to slice this in half. Go ahead and slice this one in half. Now, if you're not real experienced icing cakes, I wouldn't slice the layers. I would actually bake them in smaller sections because chocolate will get everywhere in your icing if you're not a pretty good baker. It's like marshmallow cream. The reason you have to beat it so long, so don't skip, is because that sugar has to have time to dissolve. If you don't beat it long enough, then your sugar will be grainy in your icing, and you don't want it to be grainy. You want it to be nice and smooth like this is. Now we can take the scissors and trim this off around the bottom. So it doesn't show. It is time to cut the cake. Boy, Chris is missing out because he's up in Chattanooga with his brother-in-law fishing, and I made a delicious cake. Oh my, that's so good. I gotta go, y'all. I gotta eat.
It's over now. Tammy, she just showed you how to cook it up like Mama used to do. So go on out and have some fun. Now you're getting dinner done with collard